Hey guys, my name's Anston and welcome to The Simple Chef. Now you would ask, why The Simple Chef? Like, what's with the name? Here in Sydney, life gets so busy. When I say busy, it's just non-stop on the go. So I'm just like, I'm not gonna come home and spend about 3 or 4 hours trying to cook something really nice just to eat and go to bed. I mean, I like my food. I don't know if it shows, but I do love my food.
There's a lot of people that are bigger than me. They got 500 chins. I only got about 2 or 3. But I embrace it, my fatness.
When I get home, I like to spend maybe about 30 minutes, maybe an hour cooking something nice and then eating it, relaxing and going to bed. This is where I come in, The Simple Chef, to give you some recipes, some tricks, some tips, comments, ask me questions, and I'll answer them to make your cooking simple but gourmet at the same time. So hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do all of that. Follow me on Instagram as well. I keep posting so many recipes up there all the time so you can have some gourmet but simple cooking. See you soon. Bye.